Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you all unlock methods on your NUBIA Air. So basically, if you want to secure your NUBIA Air with a password or any other lock screen, I'll show you all the options. So to check it up, open up your settings and go down here to security and privacy, device unlock, and as you can see here, screen lock, and here is all the options. So basically you have no screen lock, swipe, that's basically no screen lock as well, pattern, so that's the option when you need to connect at least 4 dots on a pattern. Next up is PIN. It's basically just 4 to 16 digits of numbers, or complex password, that's 4 to 16 characters, letters and numbers basically. So pattern work like here, like this. Next up, let's check a PIN. So basically you insert the PIN, and I'll show you how it will be on your screen lock. So something like this, basically. The same thing with a complex password. So that's all the unlock methods on your NUBIA Air. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.